How about you, Edward? Would you like to say something to Edward?
Of course, like Mike, I want to thank you for supporting her as well for the MMK story. Grabe trending, you guys helped the trend. Salamat, maraming salamat talaga po. Having sinusupport sa amin. So thank you guys really for making our dreams come true, for helping us all on the way. We love you all. I speak for all of us right here. Mahal kita. Mahal ko kayo.
And you know